Welcome back everybody, HBCraft here, and this is Age of Engineering Episode 2. Last episode we made ourselves this mining portal to go to the mining world. We made a smeltery, and I made this little pickaxe that I'm holding right here. Now I have to confess, unfortunately, because I'm quite new here, I've been working on trying a few different microphones, the best recording software. I think I've got it worked out now, but what that means is that I accidentally recorded a load of stuff last time that didn't turn out with any audio, basically. All the audio was completely ruined, so I couldn't use that. So you'll see in a second that there's quite a few things changed here since last episode. I'll just fill you in on those. I've been doing a little bit off camera, and then most of it was in that footage that we lost, unfortunately, but that's okay. I'll just get you up to date, and then we can move on with some better sounding microphones and maybe a clearer screen recording as well. So the first thing you'll notice is I've just made the smeltery a bit bigger. We were previously on just a one block, very, very small smeltery. So in case you're not aware, if you stick cobblestone into the smeltery, you get seared stone, which you can then smelt into seared bricks by using an ingot cast. So here we go, seared brick. So you can very quickly expand your smeltery that way. So that's what I've done here. I've just moved it out to 3 blocks, and we can get a lot more done in there now. Next thing, I've just cleared out this entire... I've just leveled it out here. Let me just go to sleep here so we can see things a bit. Oh, okay, we can't. There's some monsters nearby. So this bit behind the wall here, you can see is just the same place we were last time. I've just leveled all this out here and moved a few things around, moved these Tinkers things over here, moved my bed into the corner, made a load more ovens just to speed things up a bit. Furnaces, don't know why I called them ovens then. Made loads more furnaces just to speed things up a bit. What else have I done here? Oh yeah, the main thing is I also made a tree here. I'm going to be planting a couple of trees, trying to build up some wood. Yeah, and I guess the main thing is I built a huge wall around my base. I had the idea to just make this into a bit of a... to start working on our base, essentially. Basically. That was terrible. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so I wanted to start on the base here and kind of get things looking a bit nicer. My idea was that I use this kind of cliff that we have here. I know it's not much of a cliff, but you know. Just as a bit of a viewpoint, really. So I've put some glass here. I've used the chisel. There it is. I've used the chisel just to change the glass into this slightly nicer glass that's got some wood and metal framing around it, I think. that looks quite good. My idea was to go for a fairly kind of modern house. I know this is cobblestone, don't you worry. We have chisel and bits in this mod pack, so... I'm just building a nice frame of what kind of shape I'd like it to be. And then I can just come along later and... Oh my god, creeper. And then I'll just come along later and just use the chisel to wallpaper over this, essentially. And it will look pretty nice, I reckon. Started working on some colours here. It's going to be a modern style, so it'll be fairly simplistic. Using this basalt here and also the alabaster from the same mod pack, I think. Yes, I'm going to assume that it is. And I'm going to use those two together. I think they'll go quite nice. The alabaster has a nice texture, I think. Let's put this down here. Yeah, it's kind of a slightly textured. As you can see, fairly subtle. Same with the basalt up here as well. It's the same kind of thing. So I think they'll complement each other quite nicely. We'll have a few like color accents around. I'm not going to go ahead with that in this episode much. I think I'll be working on progressing through the pack a little bit. What else did I do? I did something else. I found some rice. I've just planted that here so we can get a bit more of a sustainable food supply soon. And I made a frame to a nether portal. So my idea was that I'd go to the nether, find some cobalt, and we can make ourselves a decent set of tools. But, as ever surprising as this mod pack is, and incredibly fun I may add, the flint and steel, which we would use to light our nether portal, uses steel, which I guess makes more sense. It is a flint and steel, but usually it's iron. It's a bit like the Kappa mode in Project Ozone here, I guess. yeah, so we're going to have to wait a little bit until we get some of our stuff set up. So reading a bit further on in our guide here, for Stone Age, you can see the next thing we need to do is work on getting a coke oven set up. So we can make steel with the coke oven, which would lead us to be able to make the flint and steel to get into the nether. So this requires a few materials that we need. I started getting these together off camera because it's a fairly laborious task, which I don't think you'll enjoy watching too much, but I'll just show you how these things are created. So for the coke oven, we need coke bricks. Coke bricks are made up of seared bricks, which we know how to get. As I've just shown you, you can put cobblestone into the smelter and get those out. And then this lava wood, which is essentially lava poured over some planks in the smeltery. So let's see, we've got lava in here, so I'll just show you how this is done. So lava's in the smeltery here. You can do that by clicking on the drain with a bucket of lava. You put the planks in here, set the lava over the top of that, and this will slowly turn into lava wood. There we go. Okay, and we've got ourselves some lava wood. Now, I've already been proactive here, and I've got the seared bricks ready. It turns out we need about 56, I think. So I've got those ready, and I'm going to do a bit of grinding here off camera, and I'll get all the lava wood that we need. Okay, I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, I think that'll do it. I think I've got everything I need to get this coke oven ready. We have our lava wood here and our seared bricks. I'm going to be lazy and do this. Okay. 14, yes. 28 bricks, yes. Where do we put this? Why don't we put it in the corner over here? Oh, I've had to move my bed again because there's a cave behind there. And I can't sleep because the monsters are right near. It's really annoying. Furnaces? I think I'll put the coke oven next to the furnaces, actually. I think that makes sense. So this needs to be a 3x3. Yes. Yes. And 3. Yes. And then we need to make engineer's hammer, I believe. Engineer's hammer. Missed the apostrophe. String. Don't have any string. Okay. String. Are there any cheats for string? Hemp. Do I have any hemp seeds, maybe? Crusher. Spiders, obviously. Okay. Let's go find a spider, I guess. Okay, I went out and found myself a bit of string here, so we can make this engineer's hammer now. What was the recipe again? It was just engineers. Sticks, iron, and string. Do we have iron? I should do. I know I've got the ores. Maybe I'll just have to go smelt some. Yes, that's fine. Let's just stick some in the smeltery. Iron, blood. Oh, okay, yeah. Stick those in there. We'll give it a few minutes. So close yet so far. I should mention as well that the author of the mod pack got in touch with me, left a comment on the last episode mentioning a hint about my problem with shift clicking things into the into chests and inventories, and informed me that I just needed to install mouse tweaks, which I was unaware of, so I will get that installed for next time. But thank you very much for that. Massive help. He also informed me that I edited the same segment in twice in my last video, so yeah, you know, gotta start somewhere, I guess. I'll get there, you just have to bear with me. I can hear zombies. Yeah, but I quite like this view. I think it's quite nice. We'll expand on it. I need to climb up and clear this maybe. This is annoying me a little bit. Okay. We have our iron here, so let's go make our hammer. So I believe it was 2 sticks, a little bit of string, and 2 of these iron ingots. Did I not pick those up? What a fool! Okay, let's stick those on. And there we go, we have a hammer. Yep, okay, and then I believe we just click here. There we go. Coke oven. Amazing. So this is the first step towards making some steel here. Eventually we'll move on to make a blast furnace, which will give us actual steel. I think so anyway. I think that's usually the progression that's taken in this situation, but yeah, we've got blast bricks, so I assume that's the way we'll go on to do steel. But for now, this will help us create... I've forgotten what it's called now. Anyway, it'll create a fluid here that we can use to make treated wood. And that'll kind of unlock the next couple of things we need from immersive engineering. Okay, so I guess if we stick some... is it just wood we need to stick in here? Yeah. So this will burn away. I think it'll leave us with some charcoal and a bit of fluid that I can't remember the name of. Creosote oil? Yeah, there it is. Okay, I remembered that. Okay, cool. So we'll just stick a few of these in here and we'll wait for some creosote oil to be made, and I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, we've got ourselves a little bit of oil saved up here. I believe we can just stick a bucket in here. Yep, and we will get a bucket back. The way we make the treated planks, I believe, or this is how it was done in other packs that I played, is you put that there. No, maybe it's the whole thing. Oh, do we need... we need more planks. Always need more planks. That's okay, that's okay. We have a tree over here waiting for us. Let's just chop this down. Okay. I need to fix my storage situation here. Everything's a bit hectic. My inventory is currently full at any given time. Okay, so is it like this? Yes, there we go, treated wood. Okay, so our next step here is to make the forge hammer. Now, the forge hammer itself is pretty easy. Just need a couple of iron and some treated sticks. Treated sticks are pretty easy, just that. So we've got those sorted. I think I've got some iron. If not, I know where there is some iron, so I'll go grab some of that from... Yep, okay, that's fine. I did see a load of it down here, so I'll just go grab some of that and I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so I've got myself the iron I need here now. So let's take that block out. We will turn that into ingots. I just thought I'd mention as well, I just killed a zombie, got some rotten flesh. If you're not familiar with drying racks, and you're running low on food, such as I am, stick a couple of these drying racks up. You can then hang your rotten flesh on here, and over time it will turn into, is it jerky? Monster jerky, I think it's called. And then we can eat that without having the negative side effects you get from rotten flesh. Just a handy tip there. But I'll stick with this chicken for now, I think. Yep, so I went mining, found a few things, got some emeralds as well, a few more diamonds. Yeah, so I think we're good. Let's go ahead and make this forge hammer. Excellent. Industrial age. Age 1. Okay, so is that That's on here, isn't it? Great, cool. So we're working towards Age 2 now. So let's see what the guide has to say about that. Stone Age, Industrial Age, okay. Steel to craft flint and steel to get to the nether, yep. You're now ready to build your first machines from industrial craft. For that you need to find rubber trees and make a forge hammer. Okay, we've made the forge hammer. Blah blah blah. Plates need 2 ingots, so you should make a metal former pretty fast. And of course, a macerator to double your ores. Okay. Requires 8 diamonds. Yeah, okay, well let's go find some rubber trees first. I think that'll be our first step. I assume they're just kind of... I don't know which biome they generate in more often, but we'll just go have a wander around and explore a little bit, I think. It'll be quite nice to get out of this stuffy base here. I will work a bit more on this in a bit. It will look nice, don't you worry. Okay, we got some rice seeds here. Slowly working on expanding this here so we can actually start making a decent farm out of this. Just to explain as well, if you've not used rice before, you can use the rice here that you get from the plants to make rice dough, and then if you... Oh, we got a book there from... Great, cool. You can use these in a furnace. So a couple of those make rice dough, stick these in a furnace, and you get yourself some rice bread, I think. Rice bread. There we go. Cool. So that's going to keep us full up for quite a while. So we will get working on expanding that in the future when some more of those grow. But for now, I'm going to go wander out into the wilderness. I'll wait to get some more food set up, and then we will go explore. Which way should we go? I'm thinking we head off over in that direction over there. Okay, let me gather some supplies and I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, I'm back and we are ready to go, I think. What I did was just use some of the black quartz that I found when I was mining. I just made myself a chest plate here and some of these other things I got from killing some mobs earlier. So we've got ourselves a tiny bit of armor now, and I've got this diamond sword as well. I realised that we got this trophy as well when we completed that achievement. That's pretty cool. If you're wondering why my name is Run Quicker on here, I actually got my account hacked not too long ago. And they changed my name to Run Quicker for some weird reason. So I do need to change that at some point, but that's why that's like that, if you're wondering. No big deal. Oh, and our monster jerky has appeared here now. So we hung that rotten flesh up earlier. And now we get this monster jerky. Pretty handy. I think we will head off this way. Let's go have a wander around here. There seems to be plenty of trees that way. Is that Black Lotus? I will take you, thank you. Anybody else suffer from hay fever? Yeah, I do pretty badly. I apologise if I sound a bit stuffy. It's a problem with being in the UK as well. There's especially where I live, there's a huge park just behind my house. Ooh, so we can get string that way as well. Okay, cool. I didn't realise that. Yeah, so where I live, there's a huge park just behind my bedroom window. If I open that for more than a second, I just die. So, which isn't good in the summer either as well, because I can't let any air in. But yeah, you know, we're fine. I'm okay. I just thought I'd fill you in there in case you're wondering why I sound like I'm holding my nose. It's because I can't breathe through it. But yeah, we will keep looking for some rubber trees here. Plenty of oak trees. Bit of birch. I was going to say I should probably set a waypoint, but no, we've claimed the area, haven't we? So we can find our way back quite easy that way. Okay. Regular trees. There's a swamp area over here, so I do believe that you can find a few rubber trees in there. I will take you, thank you. More rice seeds, yes. cross over this water here. Okay, we got some vines as well here. Lily pads. Sheeps. I think we're looking for a specific rubber tree as well, because there's 2 types. I don't know if both of those types will be in this pack. Rubberwood. Yes, this is us. Industrial craft. I was just about to say that there's 2. I think there's is it Mime Factory maybe? Possibly. There's another rubber tree anyway that's slightly different than this one, but this is the one that we need. What we need from this is sticky resin. I'm not sure how to get that. Is it something to do with smelting the wood down, maybe? I'm not too sure. Is it in the leaves, maybe? Something to do with the leaves? I would have thought it would be something to do with the trunk of the tree, though, rather than the... It's getting pretty dark here already. I should have brought a bed with me, shouldn't I? More rubber wood. Can we get some sticky resin? Okay, am I doing something wrong here? I'm gonna just do a quick bit of research here. I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, seems I was being a bit of a fool there. I'm sure you were face palming while I was destroying those trees, but it seems we need a tree tap in order to get the sticky resin from the trees. Dead easy, we just need to stick a few planks together. There we go, tree tap. I took a quick detour back home just because of that. But it's okay, we stuck a waypoint down where we found those trees, so we'll just head back over there and we will get ourselves some resin. Okay, we're back in our nice little swamp biome over here. I have my tree tap, so I assume we just pop it on the side. Do we hold it? Does it have to be on these? Ah, okay, cool. Sticky resin. Easy. Okay, so we need to find these little orange blobs that appear on the side of these trees. Here we are. I think we can probably get one more before our tree tap dies here. Let's try this. Yep, and it's gone. Okay, but we've got 6 here. Okay, we're back home now, and I'm just smelting this resin down into some rubber. There we go. So what do we need to make this metal former? Was it called? Yes, metal former. Here we go. So I needed this rubber to make these copper cables, which also means I'm going to need a load more copper as well. I think I did manage to get a few, and I did see quite a lot in our mining world, so that shouldn't be too much of an issue for us. There's also some back over here actually, so let's go grab that before I... Is this repairing itself? I think it's repairing itself. Or... Oh, I don't know. Anyway, it was broken before. I haven't repaired it and it's working again, so I'm not going to question that. I just remember there being some copper here, so I will grab this. This will help us towards making our machine. Oh, there's quite a big vein here, actually. This is good. Okay. Don't think copper is going to be that difficult for us to find in general. Don't think it's that rare, so I don't think this will be much of an issue. Don't believe I saw any down there. That's fine, we'll just use this for now, and we'll go smelt this up. So I guess we just need to... We use this with the forge hammer That'll give us some plates, and then we use plates with a, was it a cutter, to make the cables. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'll just cover this up before someone comes and kills me. So we will stick these in our smeltery here. What have we got in here? Blood, iron. Okay, hopefully that won't mix with anything. I don't think it will. How's our rubber doing? Should have done by now. Lovely. Got some rubber there. Oh, that smelts down fairly quickly. Molten copper. Did we have a block there? Yes, we did. Let's make this a bit quicker for ourselves. Okay. And that's going to smelt as well. Great, great stuff. Okay, let's turn those into ingots. We should have a block here as well. Okay, so we got ourselves a couple of ingots there. So if we use these with the hammer here, yeah, we get this plate. Okay, and then what did we need to get this? It was the cutter, which is iron plates. Okay. Did we have some iron left from before? We did. I think we're going to need some more than that, though. Because are the plates just the same for iron? Yes, they are. Okay, we're going to need some more iron. Okay, I'm back from the mining world, and I've got myself quite a nice haul here. So look at all this redstone we found. So I got a stack and a half of that. We also found enough diamonds to get us going. This resonating ore, which I'm not sure what any of those do, but you know, I'm sure they'll be important soon. What else did we find? Found plenty of iron, some of it smelting away in the smeltery. I decided that I'd go ahead and make this Macerator first, because this supposedly will double our ores, which will be helpful because we need quite a lot of iron to make some of these machines, so I think that will be useful for us. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start working towards this Macerator. So what do we need? We need 2 flint, we've got those. 2 cobblestone, got those. Need basic machine casing. Okay, that's just going to take these iron plates. Problem is they take 2 of the... let's see, Tech Reborn, Industrial Craft. They take 2 iron. Okay, yeah. So we're actually going to need 16 ingots. So how many have we got here? We got 1 block, 1 ingot, so we got 10 there. Okay, yeah, well let's get some of that out. We should have enough for that. Let's see, take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll save some of this so that we can double it. Actually, we only need that, I think. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. What else do we need while we're waiting for this to... Okay, so for this diamond we just need 1 iron and 8 of these. That's okay, we can do that. And then it's just this circuit here, which is another 2 iron ingots. Redstone, which we have now. We need... So we get 2 of these from a copper plate. Okay, yep. So just need a cutter. Ah, it was the cutter we were working on, wasn't it? Yeah, so we need 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 ingots for that. Okay, let's make the cutter first. Okay. Okay, so we need... couple of these. We need 3 of these plates, which we have here, and we need 2 of those. So 2 of those at the bottom, 3 of these plates. Yep, thank you very much. Then that means we can use these on our copper plates here. And that should give us, there we go, copper cable. Okay, so how many of these do we need for our electronic circuit? We need 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 6 of those. That should be easy enough. Which means we need 3 of these plates. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, we made a few more. That's okay. And we take our rubber that we made earlier. And I believe we just combine the 2 of those together. There we go. Okay, and what else did we need? We needed some... Oops, wrong one. We needed some... We need another iron plate and some redstone. Okay, iron plate's easy. There we go. So we will put those across there, those across there. We just need some redstone, which we got plenty of. Nice. Electronic circuit. Great, so we've got the circuit, got cobblestone flint. Machine casing takes quite a few of these, doesn't it? So we're going to need 16 more ingots. How much have we got going in here? 5. Okay. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, I think we've just got enough. So put those together, makes one of those. I think we've got everything now. Oh, we just need one more iron ingot. Okay, so we've got enough iron and diamonds now to make this cutter. There we are. Yeah, and we should have everything. Oh, yep, just the flint. There we are. Wonderful. Okay, what kind of power does this take? Upgrade tier, recipes. EU. Okay. Do they have generators, maybe? Oh my god. Generator. That doesn't seem too complicated. So we need a battery here. Okay, doesn't seem too far off. I think we've got some tin. Some more iron plates and an iron furnace. Yeah, that's doable. Crafting time. Okay, we've got ourselves a generator. Great. So should be able to power our other machine, and we've run out of inventory space. Let me just stick away some of these ores. Okay, and yeah, we'll go stick this next to the machine. I'll need a cable. I think we've got some copper and tin over here. Yeah, I think maybe we'll use the copper one. It seems to carry more per tick. Yeah, let's go with the copper. So I'll just pop this down. Can we just use coal for this? Nothing coming out there. Maybe I'll add a few more. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Is this just going to go straight through, or do I need to connect? Oh no, it looks like we're getting power straight away. Yeah, so I won't need to use a cable there. That's pretty handy. I'm pretty sure we can just stick an ore in there, so let's try with this tin. Yeah, it seems to be doing something. Okay. And what do we get out of this then? So we get 2 crushed tin ore. Okay, cool. Can we just smelt these down? Yeah, we can. Oh, well, that's good then. Yeah, so, yeah, we'll be able to double our ores with this. That'll come in handy in the future, because I think we're going to need a lot more iron and other things. So, yeah, cool. So I think that's a good place to end the episode on today. I've had loads of fun. I hope you have. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.